Hello everyone, and welcome to Linux Forensics here at Pentester Academy. In this video, we're going to introduce another scenario. So we already went through a pretty simple scenario where a user had a bad password and that led to a breach on a Linux system. And in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to step through a little bit more of an advanced scenario. And this will lead us to some things that we haven't done much of so far, such as network forensics and also a little bit of reverse engineering of some malware. Here I have our test system. And what I've already done is I've gone ahead and I've done a memory dump, and I've used DCFLDD to get a file system image. Recall that DCFLDD allows you to actually take an image on a running system, which is normally not ideal, but in this case, that's what I did. And now I have a system that's running. So if I look at the system and I do something such as an nmap, I will notice some oddities. Also, as before, you might see that it'll pop up a message every once in a while saying, hey, there's some system problems here. And unlike Windows, where everyone says, yeah, of course there's problems because it's Windows, Linux systems, people tend to get a little bit more suspicious. So I'm just going to go ahead and run an nmap. So you can see that this computer is running an FTP server, which is correct. It's supposed to. SSH. It also runs a web server. This looks a little suspicious, as does this guy here. So it looks like something unexpected is going on. I've talked to the system administrators and they told me that yes, in fact, there are no services that are supposed to be using these particular ports. One thing that we're going to do is, as soon as we detected that there was something funny happening, one of the system administrators decided to go ahead and run snort and to also do a packet dump. And I'll run the snort help. And it will tell me things like what interface do you want to capture on, etc. So I want to listen on my ETH1 interface. I will log to a dump file everything that's going through here. So we'll generate a little bit of traffic here from our attacker machine, and this will help us to analyze what's been going on with our attacker. Now, as a double check, we will also run nmap against our target system from our forensics workstation. And of course, this allows us to see things even if everything has been all Trojaned on the target system. So I'll just run a quick nmap scan here. We'll verify that we get the same results. And sure enough, we have the same two suspicious processes at 7777 and 44,965. So that's something we definitely want to look into. Well, that's all for this video. As always, if you're enjoying these videos here at Pentester Academy, please tell a friend. We'll see you soon.